Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
So people, ono na year wagwan. Ono na year se Fran Darrell Valls go play the Chichi Man song. Certain man over there in the Jamaican Labour Party want him to resign and go apologize. Me hear say Mr. Warmington, Terror Long Tongue, and the one over there in a Clarendon and a couple other, where in the aquarium, allegedly, want Darrell Valls to resign because according to what me hear, them feel a way about the song that Darrell Valls play. So, there you are, Darrell Valls, a play a song for ISAT. When all of the swim around them in the aquarium over upon the side. People, me hear say all of the shark and the mermaid and the pancoota them wake up over there in the Jamaican Labour Party and a burn out Darrell Valls and want Andrew Wallace for show him aside. They want him out of party for what him do. Because according to what me I hear, them say him a go on like himself in the play song for two. They say if you look on his face when he play the song, how he look, he no look happy at all. Because he know him about out himself. So right now, there's a new Bangarang over there in the Jamaican Labour Party right now. A new war start. Because they are not happy that Darrell Valls a fight against Chichi Man when the aquarium in the Jamaican Labour Party. This no look good, people. This no look good. Me hear say even Big Mama and Jazz Davis or Davis get involved in it. Then get involved because they're not happy with what go on. Because as me tell you, the whole aquarium, they over upon the Jamaican Labour Party side. Even some supporters like the one that they say choppy board. That one there, with choppy board. And the one that they call him Dujan. Me here say, them are froms as well. Because when a Chichi Man song a play, them bong drop out. Then shit up themselves. So people, a whole heap of sick they go on the Jamaican Labour Party side. They fish them bong drop out over there. Me here say, oh, hey, me here say the one there, you know, we love chase like a girl. The same one from over there, we love chase, the one that they call Muma Lashi. The one that they call him Swami. Why they call him Fargington? They said the one that rotted. Hey, me saying grab Darrell Valls, you know. They say if you look in a Dariva's chest right now, you will have chest dig up with fingernail. And a woman there, a jape, swarming and jape him. And then me say terror with the long tongue come across. I say, boy, why you there? So, people, right now, I don't know if you hear say one meeting call yesterday. It was about the whole Chichiman song where him claim saying they pull up on Isaac Buchanan and it backfire on his own gang. So, listen out for hear the breakthrough and the breaking news about everything that is happening over there about the Chichiman song where Darrell Valls play. Anyway, when you like and share and follow the page, I will keep you posted on this one.
Jamaica people no come here because you no see Nationwide put out one article this afternoon how them assault Lawrence Rowe in Central Kingston. For those of you who don't know, them say Lawrence is a part of the UIC. Anyway, Jamaica people are this in fisty. I am so disappointed. Lawrence say him have to run for him life because soldier man, which soldier man a run down civilian, you fit tap tell lie. I'm so disappointed in you, Lawrence Rowe. The boy say him have to get up, go in a one neighbor yard with knife, to defend himself. Jamaica, me want to know, analyze the truth for yourself. Look at this video and tell me if it's not Lawrence Rowe, the aggressor. Look at the video, Jamaica, and we are going to have a conversation in the comment section.
You're nothing today, you tell me something, mother, that no one asks you. Why you're bad? Why? No. Do what you need to do. What you say? What you do what you need to do? Brother, anytime you're ready. Just do what you need to do. Why you tell me do what you need to do. But suck your mother, that me say.
So why come up here and man fears?
Suck your mother, that me say. Do what you need to do, and that me say. That me say. Cause you're bad.
Why me name fear? Why come up here?
Deal with it. Cause you're bad.
Lawrence, but we're not doing nothing. Why you
Deal with it. Deal with it.
But just ask
him come up here for the man.
Cause you're bad.
Alright, you're a bad man.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
From the man.
Anytime you're ready. Anytime you're ready, I'm ready for you. Anytime you're ready, you're stuck pussy friend. What you mean by that?
You look at that, Jamaica. I am mean to tell me, say, this did one represent Central Kingston. I have nothing against Lawrence Rowe, but this type of behavior is unacceptable, Lawrence Rowe. Enough of the lies and the deceit. You have to come down now, Lawrence. One Steve McGregor in a Central Kingston.
Good day, Jamaica. I'm Dwayne Vaz, your Member of Parliament candidate for Central Westmoreland. The reason I'm doing this video today is because after waking up yesterday, I saw various articles from different media houses hitting out against violence against women. These articles range from the nurses marching against this despicable act that happened to their colleague. We saw articles about UTech students marching against the murder of one of their colleagues. There were articles about Kelsey, that little girl who was raped and murdered by that vicious individual. And other articles with people just generally condemning violence against women. I just want to remind Jamaica that in our own constituency in Central Westmoreland, the current Member of Parliament was alleged to do the same thing. And I find it very hypocritical that you have ministers of government who really came out now hitting out against violence against women. I saw Horace Chang saying something. I saw Tufton and Babsy Grange actually marching with the nurses and protesting with them. And why I say this is hypocritical is because Tufton was in Westmoreland a couple months ago endorsing the Member of Parliament, saying who are us to judge him for the acts that he was allegedly seen doing.
If Judge Wright has made peace with his God and those he has transgressed against, who are we to judge Judge Wright?
Jamaica saw that video where it is alleged that it was him, and he has never denied it. And he repeatedly hit this woman with the stool. And the Jamaica Labour Party people have endorsed him at the same way, not thinking about how vicious this crime was that he's alleged to have committed. And now these same people are trying to pretend that they care about the Jamaican people by joining a protest with the nurses a couple days ago. But I'm saying, Jamaica, don't be fooled by these people. There is an election coming up, and you will have a choice once more to decide who you want to be your member of parliament. Is it someone who was alleged to be beating a woman with a stool? Or do you again want a loving member of parliament who cares for women and cares for children and cares for every single member of the constituency? So the ball is in your court to decide against gender-based violence and every type of violence that we are seeing here in Jamaica. So time come, Jamaica, to vote for a government that genuinely cares for our people and a member of parliament that you know genuinely cares for you.
Oh, no, go on the false promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly, cause when they win them a go dump way. Market G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when in call the election. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them